Welcome to Integrazo. This video shows how to integrate popular WordPress forms like Contact Form 7, WP Forms, Gravity Forms, Elementor Forms, and Formidable Forms with Freshworks CRM using our plugin. First, go to the Plugin menu and select Add New Plugin. Next, in the search bar, type Integrazo. You will see a list of plugins. Find the Freshworks CRM plugin and activate it. Next, in the side menu, find the Freshworks CRM menu and click on it. First, you will land on the account page. Here you need to complete the account setup first. Here, you will find three input fields. First, enter the account name. Next, for the instance URL, go to your Freshworks CRM page and copy the URL as shown in the example. Next, enter the API key details. I will show you how to get it. Follow the steps to retrieve the key. After filling in all the details, click the Authenticate button. Your account will be connected. Next, go to the Setup page. Here you can integrate your form with Freshworks CRM. Here, first enter the integration name. Next, click Select Form. You will see a list of available forms. Choose the one you want to integrate. Next, select the account you have already connected. Next, select the module. For now, I choose the Leads module. After selecting the module, a new section will load. Here, you can easily map your form fields to the CRM fields. Before starting the field mapping, let me show you the form field details. This form includes name, email, and an attachment field. We will map these fields to the CRM. If you want to map custom values, geolocation, or UTM fields, they are available in the System Fields section. You can use them if needed. Next, in Record Action, select the condition that best suits your needs. After completing the mapping, click the Save Mapping button to save your settings. Now, I am going to the Freshworks CRM Contact module. Here, no records are found. Next, we'll submit the form and check if the data appears here. I have filled out and submitted the form. Now let's check if the data has been populated in Freshworks CRM. Okay, the submitted data has appeared in Freshworks CRM. Now I will check if the attachment is also successfully added. The attachment has also been successfully added. Next is the error log page. If any record fails to post to CRM, it will appear here. You can check the form data and resync it if needed. Your WordPress forms are now successfully connected to Freshworks CRM, making it easier to manage and track your leads without any manual effort. You're all set to streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching.